Hello students, today we will be discussing how to calculate the wave equation. The simple formulas and simple equations. Calculating the speed of the wave is denoted by v, and velocity, as you are already aware, is distance upon time. So v is equal to wavelength divided by the time period, because this is the distance traveled and this is the time period within which the wave travels a particular distance. So this is distance upon time. So that is why v is denoted by wavelength divided by the time period, capital T. Okay, so we have got lambda. Wavelength is denoted in terms of lambda, and time period we had seen in the previous class, it is denoted by T, capital T. So v is equal to lambda divided by T. Since f is equal to the frequency is denoted by 1 by T, so we can put this equation like this also. V is equal to lambda into 1 by T. So we will get this V is equal to lambda multiplied by f. This is a very important equation. This is called wave equation, where v is the speed of the wave, f is the frequency of the wave, and lambda is the wavelength of the wave. We can take certain examples in order to understand this. Let us take an example number 1, where frequency is 100 Hz and v is equal to 300 meters per second. Can calculate lambda. So we can substitute in this formula. V is equal to f into lambda. We have got v as 300 meters per second. F is equal to 1000 Hertz into lambda. We are substituting the values from the question itself, where v is given 300 meters per second. F is substituted as 1000 Hertz into lambda. Now we have to search what is lambda. Lambda is the wavelength. We have to calculate the wavelength. So lambda is equal to this, we have to take in the denominator, 300 meters per second divided by 1000 Hertz. We'll get lambda, the wavelength, as 0.3 meters. Second example we can take, wherein this is the velocity of light, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. F frequency has been given. Okay, f is equal to 1.5 kilohertz. Kilo we have to simplify more. F is equal to 1.5. In place of kilo we have to put 10 raised to 3 hertz. Now we have to substitute in this formula. V is equal to f into lambda. Now we have to calculate what is lambda. Okay, because v is already given, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters per second. F is given over here, 1.5 into 10 raised to 3 hertz. So if we will rearrange the equation, we have to find out lambda is equal to v by f. This goes in the denominator. That is why lambda is equal to v divided by f. So we can substitute the values. V is equal to 10 raised to 3 meters per second divided by f. In place of f we have to put 1.5 into 10 raised to 3 hertz. We will get this, 3 divided by 1.5 is equal to 2, and when this goes to the numerator it becomes minus. That is why we get 2 into 10 raised to 5 meters per meters. Okay.